Hi, hello. Welcome to the Google Classroom. So in our last class, we discussed the chapter about the chapter solids. In that solids, we learned two types of solids. First one is cube. Second one is cuboid. So you know the difference between cube and cuboid. Cuboid means all faces are in rectangular faces. So in cube means all faces are in square shape. So this is the two difference between the cube and cuboid. And we learn three formulas also in each solids. First one, volume of cube is equal to length into breadth into height. Here L, B, H, length, breadth, height are same. Means cube means all faces are in the shape of square. Square means what? All sides are equal. Means length, breadth, height are equal. Means A into A is equal to A to the power of 3. That is volume of cube is A cube. Side cube. Next one. LSA of cube is 4A square. Because lateral surface area means we are considering only 4 sides, 4 faces, not top and bottom. So next one. TSA of cube means 6A square means total surface area means we are considering all the 6 faces. You know, in cube and cuboid 6 faces are there. So all the 6 faces if you consider means what is the total surface area of cube? 6A square. Similarly in cuboid also volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height because all are in different, not in as similar case of cube. Next, LSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into H into L plus B. L plus B. Next, PSA is equal to 2 into L into B, B into H, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. These are the formulas we learned in our last class. Based on that, we solve problem also. In today's class also, we are going to solve some problems on this part. In that one, I am considering the problem in your exercise 23-1A, fifth problem. What is the given fifth problem? Fifth problem is the edges of the edges of 3 cube of metal are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. They are melted and form into a single cube. Find the edge of new cube. Find the edge of new cube. So here they are given 3 cube sides. First of all, we find the volume of the 3 cubes. So if you find volume of 3 cubes is equal to, what is the volume of formula of cube? Volume of formula of cube is equal to A to the power of 3. What is the side value of first side of the cube? 3, that is 3 cube plus 5 cubes. So 3 cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube means 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 plus 5 cube means 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 by 25. So if you add all those means you will get 216 centimeter cube. 216 centimeter cube. So after adding all the side volume of 3 cubes, you will get the volume is equal to 216. Next step. Volume of 3 cubes is converted into volume of new cube. You know, reinforcements. So reinforcements, if you add all the 3 volumes of cube, so that can be recrossed into another one cube. That cube side we want to find out here. For that one, what is volume of cube? 216. Volume of new cube, what is the formula? A cube. So you can find cube root of 216 is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 centimeter. So what is the volume of side of the new cube is 6 centimeter. So after reinforcing all the 3 sides of the cube of 3 different of cubes into a single cube, what is the side? 6 centimeter. Next problem. 3 cubes of whose edges are 3 cube edges that given. Edges are 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter given. And melted or melted of all the 3 cubes and melted into new cube. So the new cube is there. New cube edge is equal to 12 centimeter. What we have to find out? X means edge of the first cube. Edge of the first cube. So that means volume of 3 cubes is equal to volume of new cube. Because we have to change this 3 cubes volume into a volume of new cube. Because recosting is like, if you recost means there is nothing changing the volume of the cubes. So 3 volumes of the cubes we converted into, recosted into a single cube. So your volume of 3 cubes, you know formula volume of a cube, that is a to the power of 3 a cube. So volume of first cube x cube. Volume of second cube 10 to the power of 8 cube. Volume of third cube is 10 cube. Volume of new cube is how much? 12 cube. X cube. What is the 8 to the power of 3? 5 12. 5 12. This is 1000 is equal to 12 cube means 12 cube is 1728. 1728. So x cube is equal to, if you add 1000 plus 512, 1512, shift to that side. 1512. X cube is equal to, you get 216. 216. That is x is equal to, cube root of 216 is equal to 6 centimeter. That means volume, edge of the first cube is 6 centimeter. Edge of the first cube is 6 centimeter. Then that's all they are asking in this question. While they are asking recasting question means, so whether they have 3 cubes, volume of 3 cube is equal to volume of a new cube. So you can equate the equation, you can easily find out whether they are given, find the volume of a new cube means find out new cube volume, whether to find the edge of the cube means you can find the edge of the cube after repositioning. That if they are asking to find out side of the edge of the cube means you can also find the edge of the cube. And next problem is the cost of papering the four walls of a room, at 75 paise per square meter is rupees 240. Rupees 240. The height of a room, is 5 meter. Find the length and breadth. Find the length and breadth of the room. If they are the ratio, if there are ratio, they are given length and breadth ratio is 5:3. Here they are given the papering, means painting papering of the four walls of the room. Given what they are given, cost of papering of four walls at 75 paise per square meter is 240. So you know what is how to find cost means number of article into cost of each article. If you multiply like that, you will get the answer of total cost of the article. So here 240 into area into what is the cost of meter, that is 75 paise, that is 0.75. 75 paise is 0.75. First we have to find the area. 240 divided by 0.75. So if you multiply by 100 both the side, 75. Because this point will shift to the side, then you can easily cancel. If you cancel, you will get 320 meter. 320 meter. Area is 320 meter. Means the total cost of the area is 240 rupees. Per square meter, the cost 75 paise. Area into 75 paise, the total cost is 240 rupees. For using this one, I am finding area. So lateral surface area. So now you can use lateral surface area of cuboid. What is lateral surface area formula? Four walls means you have to consider lateral surface area. That is 2 into H into L plus B. So that is 2 into height. They are given 5 meter. Height they are given 5 meter here. 5. So length and breadth ratio. Length is equal to 5x. Here they are given ratio. Breadth is equal to 3x. 320. First we find the x value. 8x is equal to 320 divided by 10. That is 32. X is equal to 32 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are. That is 4 meter. So then we can easily solve the length value is 5x. 5 into 4, 20 meter. Breadth is 3x. 3 into 4, 12 meter. So, like this way, we are going to solve the problems on cost of the patterning of 4 walls diagram. So, here total cost is equal to area into square. Per square meter, how much they cost? If you multiply, you get total cost of the area. First, we find the area problem, and after that, we have covered for 4 walls. Means we can take the formula of LSA of cuboid. I they are given, L and B ratio they are given. Find the x value. After finding the x value, substitute x value in L and B. You can easily find out length and breadth of the given 4 walls area. So till now we solved problems from this problems. In next class also I solve problems on this part only. So in your exercise 21A problems are there. Please do